Kajing pentip yaki ba apply yaka civil defense bat home guard. Badai jongki post driver, sub inspector, home guard but non-combatant employee. Kalapan mi yaki kerteng kibasya accepted banlej aka physical efficiency test PET. Katarik ban sedang yaka PET kadai kedurut September kabalapan mi daka Highland Post. The list of professional accepted candidates for the post driver who are eligible for the PMT and PET after review by the Central Board Civil Defense and Home Guard kasi anjantia kategori. Namar baki lapya halak jong ki kategori yaki kasi bat ya kiwe ki kategori. Kidon ki UR kasi jantia order SC/ST kategori. But all kategori yaki kandidat ki bala accepted hadin bala review daka Central Recruitment Civil Defense and Home Guard tekin siya yapi banlej aka PET. Kabadai jongki post driver kidon kumba praspa nyusan ngut ki basya accepted. Kabadai jongki kasi jantia badya ki sub inspector ki basya accepted kidon kumba syajar praspa sandu prangut. Bat yaki non-combatant employee mulai hajar praspa iwe. Kapin page yakine baro bat kumju yaki we ki post ya banlej haka official website kabadai jangka Directorate of Civil Defense and Home Guard ka website kadai https makehomeguard.gov.in nang bapinyo ban page yaki kerteng ki chongpi visa accepted neem badon ruki basya rejected ngan sabu aka description below yaka website pia ban klik kabatho notice board batang ne pinyo sibun ki list kiba sya selected bat pin klik kabadai jongki kasi jintia yaki admit card pat ki claim pat ai jingte be hakane website tenda kilapan mi ngan sapentip sapi datang kine kejing utip keblai sibun.